Dear children, welcome you all for today's class. Today, I want to tell you a story. First, let me tell you the title of the story. The title is Plop and the Frog Tower. Okay, the story begins like this. Once upon a time, in a village, there was a big pool of water. A tortoise and some little frogs used to live together happily in the pool. One day, a big frog came there. His name was Plop. He jumped on a big leaf in the pool and started to shout, "I am the boss of this pool. No one is allowed to swim here. You all go away from here." The little frogs got frightened because Plop was very big. They all jumped into the grass to hide. The tortoise was taking rest there. The little frog said to him, "We wanted to swim, but Plop did not allow us. It is very hot today. We want to swim." The tortoise said, "Don't worry, you stay here with me." Suddenly the tortoise shouted, "Look, look, a big bird is coming here." The big bird came to the pool, but Plop could not see him. The big bird caught Plop and started planning to eat him. Plop started to shout, "Leave me! I am the boss of this pool. You can't eat me." Looking this, the tortoise said to little frogs, "We have to save Plop. The big bird is going to eat him. Let us make a frog tower. You all jump on my back quickly." And then all the little frogs jumped one by one on each other's back and made a big frog tower. The tortoise started walking slowly. Plop was shouting, "Help! Help!" The little frogs, who was at the top, said, "Don't worry, we are coming." Looking the frog tower, the big bird got surprised and opened his beak. As soon as his beak got open, Plop got away. And in this way, his life was saved. Then after few minutes, the big bird went away. Now Plop said to the tortoise and little frogs, "Thank you all very much. You saved my life. Now you all are my friends. We can swim and live together." Now they all started living together happily. Okay, dear children, in this way the story ends. Okay, now tell me what lesson we got from this story. Yes, we should always help and we should never hurt anyone. So please help ever, hurt never. Thank you. Bye bye.